What's up? Well, we got the car back. Survived its first outing without any issues at all, and did a little bit more since the video. Cut the cowl out and stuff like that. Catch can. Mounted the battery there for now. Gonna move the coils and stuff. Other than that, it actually performed pretty well after messing with some of the issues, more issues of setting the suspension up and tires and stuff like that. When we first went out, it was like driving on ice. So played with the tire pressures a little bit, got them down to 20, started getting some grip, and then went out again with these other set of tires, and it didn't like it because of the two different size wheels. Pulled power on me, you know, that's what these do. So yeah, that was the last run, unfortunately, but then we found all the grip it needed, so that pretty much put a dampener on that. But now we know the tires were just junk on the 17s. Power wise, performed well, everything. Yeah, so here's some of the shots from the day. A couple shots in Harlan's car, a couple chases and stuff like that, and then a bunch of shots with this. And I'm gonna pull some plugs on this now and address the cylinder 2 rotor 2 misfire, but I'm also throwing a crank position sensor code, which is awesome because it's a brand new crank position sensor, you know, brand new parts from the auto store. So I'm gonna take a look at this tone ring, make sure there's no bends in it or anything, because it didn't matter. I was getting misfires, idling, running, whatever. It didn't feel like a misfire, but it may be a phantom misfire. So I'm gonna check these plugs out and take a look at some of these clips. So that's pretty much it for now. Probably going to mess with the suspension a little more. Probably order up a set of drift knuckles, a little more angle on the car. That way when it's greasy, it's not so easy to spin around. But yeah, we're gonna try and get the car out a couple more times this year and see what we can do. So far, really don't have anything in this thing, so it's working out pretty good. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys.